Hey Glowies! Can we all agree that choosing a hairstyle before school is somehow harder than the actual homework? Like, you wake up, you're already late, you stare at the mirror hoping your hair magically styles itself, and it never does. So, today, I've got you covered. I'm sharing 10 super cute, easy, and school-friendly hairstyles that look adorable, take just a few minutes, and don't require you to be a professional hairstylist. Let's get into it. Number 1. The sleek high ponytail. Let's start with a classic. A sleek high ponytail instantly makes you look neat, confident, and put together. If you want to make it look even cuter, wrap a small section of your hair around the hair tie to hide it. Simple, but so pretty. Number 2. Bubble ponytail. This hairstyle looks way more complicated than it actually is. Tie your hair into a ponytail, add another elastic every few inches, then gently pull each section to create little bubbles. It's trendy, cute, and surprisingly quick. Number 3. Claw clip twist. Running late? This one is your lifesaver. Twist your hair upward, secure it with a claw clip. Done! It takes less than 30 seconds, but still looks effortlessly stylish.
4. Half up, half down. This hairstyle never goes out of style. Take the top section of your hair, tie it back, and leave the rest down. Add a bow or ribbon if you want an extra girly touch. 5. Double braids. Whether they're tight braids or loose braids, they keep your hair out of your face all day. Perfect for long school hours. 6. Low messy bun. Some mornings you just don't have the energy, and that's okay. A low messy bun is comfortable, elegant, and looks even better when it's slightly imperfect. 7. Slick back bun. This hairstyle screams clean girl aesthetic. Brush your hair back, use a little styling gel if needed, secure it into a bun. It's perfect for hot days and sports activities. 8. Space buns. Want something playful? Try space buns. They're fun, youthful, and perfect for casual school days. 9. Side braid. If you want something soft and feminine, a loose side braid is always a beautiful option. Pull a few face-framing pieces out for an effortless look. 10. Ribbon ponytail. And finally, my personal favorite, a simple ponytail but finished with a satin ribbon. Sometimes it's the smallest details that make the biggest difference. It instantly makes your hairstyle look more polished and adorable. And those were 10 cute and easy back-to-school hairstyles that are perfect for busy mornings. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments because I genuinely want to know your favorite. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and become part of our amazing Glowies family. Until next time, stay glowing, Glowies!